Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Scrabble step by step. Start by setting up your Scrabble board, which features a 15 by 15 grid. Each player then draws 7 letter tiles from the bag, keeping them hidden on their rack. The player who goes first will place their initial word, using at least 2 tiles so that it covers the center star square. This central square is a double word score, making it a great starting point for your game. Remember, all words must read either horizontally or vertically. On your turn, you'll form a word using some or all of your 7 tiles, connecting it to at least one letter already on the board. Words can be placed horizontally or vertically, but never diagonally. After playing, draw new tiles to bring your hand back to 7. If you cannot form a word or choose not to, you can exchange one or more tiles for new ones from the bag or simply pass your turn. Scoring in Scrabble involves adding up the point values of your played letters. Look for premium squares. Light blue squares double the letter score, dark blue squares triple it, pink squares double the entire word score, and red squares triple the entire word score. If you use all 7 of your tiles in a single turn, it's called a bingo, and you earn a generous bonus of 50 points, significantly boosting your score. The game concludes when the tile bag is empty and one player has used all of their remaining tiles. Another way the game can end is if no player can make a valid move for 2 consecutive turns. At this point, each player subtracts the value of any unplayed tiles from their score. The player who has accumulated the highest total score throughout the game is declared the winner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.